Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to link images or set them as hyperlinks in WordPress blocksy. Okay, so this is a viewer requested video. Earlier, we showed a video of how to link buttons or how to configure buttons as links. So for an example, we'll insert an image on this Contact Us page and then hyperlink it to something else. So let's go ahead and click on Customize. Or, no, sorry, excuse me, edit page, right? Because you want to edit this particular page. And you can do this with anything, with any other page or any other post. We're going to enter the block editor over here. And let's go ahead and insert an image. Okay, so just a blank slate. Just start everything off. We have our title over here, our featured image, our header, and the rest of our content. And we can click on the sidebar here. And we can toggle our options, okay? And if you click on the plus icon over here, we can add an image. So before we add an image, I'm just going to use green shift elements. You can use the default ones over here, text, and then media. But for this video, we're going to add a section from green shift, and you can use a section. These things exist, excuse me, on other block toolkits, tool sets. And a section is basically just an area where it gives us a bunch of space to add a block. So let's add a block. We can either click advanced image here, or on the plus icon, we can search image, and gives us different image elements, blocks, depending on which one we're using. So this one's the default one. I believe this one as well. And then these colorful ones are from Stackable. And then this one is from Green Shift. So I don't believe that the stock or default one has any links. We'll just use the Green Shift one because it just gives us a few more options. And you can see now we have an image. We can either upload one from our local device, our computer, or wherever we're editing from, use a URL, or from our media library. Now I'll just use one of our logos here, and we can align it in the center as with anything else. And once we scroll down, we'll find the tab image attributes / link. Okay, now it gives us options for alternative text, title text, and URL on image. Now I'm going to use our URL over here, and I'm going to toggle open a new window, okay? And I am going to save our page. Okay, so we're here on our homepage again. Let's click on Contact to take us to the Contact Us page. We'll scroll down, and you can see the image we've added, and now the cursor changes, and if we clicked on this, it takes us to whatever URL we put there. Okay, so I can put this as Google or Yahoo or wherever you want this to lead. So there's how you add a URL to an image in WordPress blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.